If you're a fan of the 10-step skincare regimen that Korean beauty is known for, chances are you're familiar with the term glass skin, a smooth, clear, and intensely hydrated complexion that makes dewy skin seem dull. Glass skin is when your skin is at its very healthiest. In order for skin to appear poreless, luminous, and translucent, so many things have to happen. You can't just be hydrated and look that way. Your skin really needs to be its healthiest in all aspects. Babies have see-through skin, and that's because their skin is still so healthy. Glass skin and the quest to retain a luminous, translucent skin glow has been a popular trend ever since. Luminous appearance of glass skin really comes from within. Achieving this look requires a healthy and balanced lifestyle, as well as a dedication to a skincare regimen. These certainly aren't the kind of skin results you can just get overnight, even if you are blessed with incredible genes. What products do I need? Oil cleanser and gentle foam cleanser for double cleansing. Exfoliators. Toner. Essence. Serum or face oil. Moisturizers. Sunscreen. Face mask. Your step-by-step glass skin routine. Double cleanse. First, wash your face with a gentle oil cleanser that won't clog pores or strip skin of its natural oils. Then, following it with a gentle cleanser that foams. Try Drunk Elephant Slaye Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser for the first step and Kera Foaming Facial Cleanser for the second. Exfoliate. Exfoliation helps to remove excess dead skin cells and removes blackheads on the skin. Tip: have sensitive skin? Keep the exfoliating to no more than twice a week and try a gentle chemical exfoliator like Neogen, Dermalogy Real Cicapat. Use a toner. Toners help reset the pH of the skin and allow the next steps in your routine to absorb better into the skin. Try an essence. Incorporating an essence, a thin, water-based product that adds moisture to the skin, into your routine increases moisture retention in the skin and therefore aids in the absorption of products. Not only does it moisturize the skin, providing a natural glow, but a functional essence heightens the benefits of any skincare routine. Not sure where to start? Try Then I Met You the Giving Essence. Reviewers rave about it for its thin, silky feel and the fact that it contains hyaluronic acid, which is hydrating for your skin. Get a serum or face oil. Another staple in any glass skin routine is incorporating either a serum or hydrating facial oil that's lightweight but loaded with antioxidants, which will protect the skin from free radicals that eventually result in signs of aging. For glass skin, choose serums with vitamins or hyaluronic acid. This is because hyaluronic acid moisturizes your skin, bringing out that natural glow. Another tip is, go for a plant or herb-based face oil, such as the ordinary 100% plant-derived squalane or Kora's Wild Rose Brightening Absolute Oil. They're light and absorb quickly on your skin and won't cause breakouts. If you're looking for a serum, try the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. It's suitable for all skin types, including oily, acne-prone, and sensitive. If you're a bigger fan of oils, try the ordinary organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. It deeply nourishes and calms skin without clogging pores. Layer on your moisturizer. Look for a moisturizer that's going to give you an instant burst of hydration, leaving skin looking smooth and supple, like Origin's Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Fans say it goes on light, absorbs quickly, and moisturizes without leaving a heavy, greasy feel. Protect your skin from the sun. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in any K-beauty routine. You want to look for one that's hydrating, protecting, and won't leave behind residue. One of my favorites is the Rutri Mobi Therapy UV Sunshield. Not only does this water-based and lightweight sunscreen offer SPF 50+ protection, it also absorbs easily into the skin. No white cast here! Make sure you're using the right face masks. Look for clay masks that will clean and reduce the appearance of pores without drying or irritating skin. Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask is a good place to start. Sheath masks can work to hydrate and give skin an instant glow, while treatments with calming ingredients like honey provide skin with moisture and calm inflammation. Manuka honey is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, thanks to methylglyoxal. It helps to hydrate and clear skin while healing at the same time. If you're not into the idea of slathering literal honey on your face, and if you can't find Manuka honey at a store near you, try Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Mask instead. What if I have acne, dry skin, or oily skin? Anyone, regardless of their skin type, can achieve glass skin. It all comes down to finding products that work for you. Everyone's skin is different, and with the right products that work for your skin, the look is achievable. I have combination to oily skin, which causes breakouts here and there due to sebum. Also, skin concerns change within seasons and even throughout the month due to hormones. But even with these skin troubles, glass skin is achievable with time, care, and using products that work for my skin. If you have acne-prone skin, look for a serum or exfoliant that has salicylic acid like Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum. The Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original is great for spot treating and occasional breakout.